fuck goes on that? That's creepy. Remember me. I don't want that. I will start coding in a second. I don't want that. Just have to. There's an echo now. Day 3. Day 3. Submit it again. Few rules, good etiquette. Don't spam. Yeah, but all right. All right. Don't need to watch that. Hopefully the sound and everything's good. Alright, where were we? We were right here, but I wanted to fix this. I wanted to change this to just a regular list. Same with this up here. And then when we're Delta card, I want to return the deck because I realized that I wasn't, the deck wasn't removing any cards from it once I was out of the function. So return deck, yeah. So whenever I call that, I need player's hand and deck. Wait. Choose cards. No, we don't need that. We need player's hand to equal. Let's check to make sure that works. Python poker.py 10 queen. We almost have a flush. Third of 4. No. Okay. So something went wrong because I changed that. So now when it prints the cards out, it's not printing. Print. The first one was good, right? Yeah. But the second one, hello, Mr. Big O's Diablo. I don't know how to say that. Big O's, Mr. Big OS Diablo. Here's the devil. Key error. Okay, so why is it printing out? So the first one's okay. The first print is okay, but the second one, right here, deck, create deck, player's hand, print. Okay, so that's fine. But this one right here, print. The next one is the one that fucks up. So shouldn't have given it a problem. Player's hand, return. Choose cards. That's text poker game? Yeah, it's jacks are better. It doesn't like this, but that's not really what I'm worried about right now. I'm worried about what it's printing. So it's this one. I don't know why it's doing that. Choose cards. So we're just removing so that's the deal. Returning player's hand and deck. That's really weird. Because it works right here, right? Because it prints out. But then after we choose the cards, it doesn't like it. And then 155. Player's hand values. Player's hand is a list. Shouldn't matter. Player's hand is a list. They're both lists. What's wrong with it? I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's just change it back to see if this is what... Actually, I'm going to leave it as a list, but I'm just not going to return it. Maybe that's what it doesn't like. Return deck. Return deck. Passing deck. Choose cards. So I'm just going to return player's hand. And I'm not going to ask right here. Where is it? Let's see if... So... 8, 9, 10... I don't really have anything. It doesn't matter. So that works. No, you lose. So where did it break last time? So... Okay, so the choose card worked. Any more? No. And then it printed out 1 and 2. But right here, it worked. Any more? No. So once you say no, So this is where we're at. So once you say no, what card do you want to, you say no, it returns player's hand. Right, okay. So we go back down here to choose card. Player's hand is that. Player's hand deals card, player's hand. And then it prints the player's hand. It's just so weird that it just added all of that in there. Oh well. I mean, it works without it. It's just not correct because we're not removing the 5 cards from the deck that we originally got, so the odds are way different than they would be. Well, not way different, but it'll just mess with me. No, okay. 158, get items. Okay, so this is what we were working on last time. So if 2 of a kind is a bool object, has no attribute. So if 2 of a kind slot 0 is greater than 11, which is our jack number, but 2 of a kind, oh, you know what? That's what it is. We need list of pairs, because 2 of a kind is a Boolean object, so we need list of pairs. I'm going to take this out, because I don't need it anymore. I know where I am. And let's try it again. So we don't have a pair. We don't have really anything. So I'm just going to get rid of the 3 and the 9. And I'm going to say no. You lose. We didn't get shit. Let's run it again. So we have a pair of 4s. But it's not higher than a jack. So let's see. So any more? No. You lose. I want a pair, damn it. So that kind of works. It's 3, 7, 8, 4. I'm getting shit hands. What the hell? Yeah, let's try for a flush, I guess. Number 4. So I have 3 hearts. No more. Pair of A's. Cool. So that works. Alright. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give it a full house, and I'm gonna, or not a full house, I'm gonna give it a 2 pair, and I'm gonna see if that works. So right here, all I need to do is change player hand values is equal to, and I just need 11, 11, 12, 12, and we'll just say 5 for the last one. So none of I need to fix that too. For some reason, whenever it's done, and you go back into it, the deck hasn't reset, I think. Yeah, it says it's out of range, so the deck hasn't reset for some reason, so I need to fix that. I don't want to get rid of any, so I'm just gonna say 1, no. So it does do 2 pairs. So now let's give it 3 11s. Make sure we get a 3 of a kind. And we'll say get rid of 1, no, 3 of a kind. Okay, now let's try 4 of a kind. No, 4 of a kind, cool. Now let's try a full house.